Hi everybody, it's been a while since I made a video, but today we are reviewing my 3 very popular Louis Vuitton tote bags, and we're gonna rank them as my favorites, pros and cons, and what I love about them, and mod shots in the end. So these are the Lowkey PM and MM, and this is the Carryall PM. So I have 3 tote bags from Louis Vuitton. I have the Lowkey MM in this beigey color, and this was the first launch, and I will link my unboxing for this one in the comment section down below. And then I also have this Lowkey PM, which I also bought during launch day, and I initially bought the black one with the brown interior cowhide, but I exchanged it for this cognac brown color. It's just more in my color scheme, color palette. Love. And then the, what is this one called? This is the, geez, why can't I remember these names? I have the tag. This is the Carryall PM tote in the monogram canvas. And prior to this monogram canvas, I did purchase the, I believe it was like a cloth denim material. I will also link the unboxing for all of these bags in the info box down below. But yes, we're just pretty much comparing all these bags and which one is my favorite, which one I would recommend, and which one I do not recommend, because I have one in each category. Okay. Let's start off with the biggest one, which is the MM size. I will do mod shots for all of the bags at the end of the video. Again, this is the MM size in this beige color, and if you've never tried this on in store or seen model pictures of it, it is huge, absolutely gigantic. You can fit everything and more. I have a 12-inch laptop. I could fit the laptop in here with a soft pouch and charger, wallet, a camera, a water bottle, anything you can think of, you could fit in here. So I guess this is similar to a Neverfull where you can fit everything. And also because it is a thicker type of leather, it's got some weight to it. It has 4 feet at the bottom, no reinforcement really. It does tend to slouch a little bit. It has the very minimal logo slash hardware, which is right there. It has the adjustable hooks on here, and as you can see, the body in itself is just very long and very wide, not very structured whatsoever. Again, with the minimal logo, and then it says Louis Vuitton in gold right there. So pretty. And then yes, Louis Vuitton on the bottom with the 4 feet. I like the adjustments. I put this bag in the category of I fell for the hype pretty much, just because I am smaller as far as height. I am only 5 foot, and sometimes I do feel that this bag overpowers me, and it is big and it's heavy. Like, there's weight to it. There's literally nothing. I mean, there's a few things in here, but it's still heavy. Even though the straps are very comfortable, that is one thing I will say. The Loki collection, the leather is so soft and so supple. It's got some graining on it, like bigger but flat at the same time, but you could still feel it type of graining. And it's so comfortable on the shoulders, but it does tend to get really heavy. I love this color. Again, I fell for the hype. I bought it as soon as it launched pretty much, and seeing everybody as far as like social media post about it, I really love it. I was really into, and I still am, into the oversized, you know, tote bags, and it's just very minimal and also very chic and stylish at the same time. So I do love the totes. But yes, oh, I forgot to mention, it does come with a pouch. The pouch I have downstairs. So it's got a D-ring on the inside, opposite side of this lock mechanism. And then it's got the claw clasp and the D-ring also. Similar to a Neverfull, where you could just kind of close it like that. Not like it would prevent anything, but there's that. And then to adjust, there's a little button on the side. Press that and it opens up, and then it's just a belt loop pretty much, and you adjust it that way, and it snaps to secure. I do love this lock, and that it's very minimal. If you don't know, you don't know, but if you know, you know. So I really like it, but then again, I do regret this purchase. Next category I would say is the Carryall PM. I love the look of this bag. I love the shape of it. I love the structure. It is, again, monogram canvas. The straps right here are adjustable, so the shortest could still be shoulder bag, and the longest, or even mid to longest, can go crossbody. I love the monogram canvas more than the leather because this D-ring is on the side. The leather versions have a zipper at the top, and then the D-ring is right in the center, and I don't really like that. The only con I would say about this bag is this strap. You see how it kind of tapers and then gets thicker? I hate the thicker part. I wish it was just a little bit slimmer, because on my shoulders when I'm wearing it, even with minimal items, no items, full of items, it always slides off. And like when you see my shoulder, I guess it's fairly broad, but it still slides off, which is so weird. And especially when I have a jacket on or anything that's kind of like softer and looser, it just slides off, and that irritates the living out of me. But nonetheless, I do still enjoy her. She fits, again, my 12-inch laptop without a soft pouch. So just the laptop, a charger, a book, your wallet, card holder, you know, a makeup bag, like a small makeup bag. It'll definitely fit because of how thick it is. And this is smaller than the Neverfull. I do have a Neverfull, but there's plenty of videos about the Neverfull. I think I have a video about the Neverfull. So these specific totes that I do have in my personal collection is what I wanted to talk about. But yes, I love her. I don't use my Neverfull anymore. I only would probably use my Neverfull for traveling or like overnight stays. Not so much any of these, because I feel these are a little bit more, they're more chic than a Neverfull would be. So yes, I do enjoy this bag. I love that this is kind of off-centered, and this charm is just off of Amazon. But yeah, I wish it was just different as far as like the strap, because I do hate the strap. And even the leather version, the leather versions do have a softer feeling, because this is, again, cowhide leather. Ouch. Cowhide leather. So it has softened up, but still, I wish it was just a little bit thinner. If you guys have any suggestions where I could get a thinner crossbody strap, let me know. Last but not least is my favorite. I'm sure you guys have guessed already. I do wear this the most. I love the color. I love everything about this bag. If I could recommend a single tote in all luxury brands, this is gonna be it, because I've seen the YSL. The YSL is super cute, but the strap I feel is too short. This has a longer adjustable mechanism, so I do prefer this. I love how soft it is. I love, like, just super pliable. All the bags that I've shown does come with a detachable, removable strap. I use these, or pouch, I use these pouches going out, just running errands. Just, they're very handy, and they fit a fairly good amount. It's got the brown interior cowhide. It matches the leather, and so you hook it on the D-ring, and then I just pretty much hook the other side that would normally hook onto the bag, this side onto the zipper, and hold it like that. Even though this is the PM size, it still fits a very, very good amount. It does not fit my laptop. However, Sorry, I just ran up here from downstairs. However, it does fit an iPad, a charger still, a book, 2 books, makeup pouch, few patches, and still a wallet. It's still got the floor feet at the bottom, and then the Louis Vuitton Paris in gold right here, and then Louis Vuitton Paris on right there, and same thing, buckle style closure. This one is made in Spain. I think both of my leather bags are made in Spain, and then the monogram is US. But yes, this color is so beautiful, and this leather is just so supple. This one I have not, I guess there's minimal, there's minimal corner wears, but I mean, what do you expect? It's a tote bag. You're gonna be bumping into things. You're gonna hit it on, you know, whatever you hit it on. But I still love it. It still has the D-ring and the claw clasp, and then the D-ring on the other side over here to hook the pouch. So yes, I love this. It's my favorite tote. If you see me out and about, this is probably the tote that I'm wearing. It's super casual yet chic at the same time, and I just really love it. So it's so cute. For reference, I am 5 foot and I'm a size large or 12, 10, and this is where it hits on me. Again, this is adjustable, so I kind of have like extra space right there, and I just fold it in. This is the length that I prefer because you can still reach with one hand and still have plenty of space. If you did it on the shortest setting, which just to show you guys, it's fairly short, but just for demonstration purposes. Oh, it's hard to push because I've never really used this size, but see, still plenty of space, and then you have all this extra loop. And then this one does go crossbody on the longest setting, so I extended it on the longest setting for both sides, and this is where it hits me. So I guess if you're taller, this is still gonna work for you. A little bit curvier than I am, and this is still, again, gonna work for you. So cute, but definitely, again, it slips, like I said. This is the Lowkey and you see how like it hits me above the thigh, pretty much on the thigh. And yeah, it's just not my preferred. I loved it when I first got it because I don't know, I just really enjoy the style, but since the PM launched, I just don't reach for this anymore. I still love the color. It's so big. It's so big. So, but it definitely gives model off duty. I still love her, but yeah, definitely not my vibes anymore. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick, hopefully informative review / comparisons of these tote bags. Let me know which one you guys would opt for, if any, or if not any of these, and which one you do prefer as a tote bag for your lifestyle. Please let me know. Check out all my social medias down below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!